I'm a bird, gaga!
Coach Zach here with Jen.
Hi guys.
Our amazing yoga teacher here. And today we're going to be showing you some Acro Yoga. Now, this is not really for beginners. This is more for intermediate to advanced students. But even if you're a beginner, check it out. You'll have something to work towards.
For sure. So we're going to start out with a little bit of a warm-up, because with Acro Yoga, especially for the base, the person that is flying the person on top, it can be kind of a stretch for hamstrings, for low back, whatnot. So we want to get that person that's basing ready to go. So anyway, to get started.
Wait, hold on. Let me tell them about these amazing sliders that you can get right now. Check out that pinned comment down below for a free pair of sliders and my Slide Your Way to a Flat Stomach. It's only for a limited time. Check it out. Pin comment. I'll see you there. Now let's get it.
Okay, Zach, he's very excited. But first, let's go ahead and come down here. Notice that Zach is actually going to be laying on, or at least his booty, on a towel here, or a blanket. So you need that if your tailbone lifts. And the reason why the tailbone might lift is,
up here,
get situated.
my tailbone's up.
Yeah.
That's no go.
Yeah, and if your upper hammies are kind of tight, low back's tight, you may need a little something. You'll notice this though when you start to go up. We'll show this in just a moment. Let me do a little therapeutic on you first. So we're gonna get him to lift his legs, and we're just gonna push a little bit, come forward. I'm kind of in a lunge for this so that I have his heels and I'm pushing. He's gonna keep his tailbone down. Okay, so we wanna ground his tailbone for this. Do you feel a stretch? Cool. And so now what you can do too is you can put one of the feet down, one of the legs down, and then the other leg, I'm gonna kind of just apply some pressure to his foot so he gets the Achilles, the ankle stretch, the calf. Do you want me to do more?
Yeah,
so that's the other thing.
You're pressing down to warm us up, because eventually she's gonna be here, I'm gonna be supporting her. So the key is you just wanna get the leg and the body ready to be supporting weight.
We'll do the other side. Yep. And so the other thing is, like, communication is huge with acro. So even before you even go up in flight, you should be asking your partner if it's too much, too little, because they want to be able to feel it, but you don't want to push them into an injury, of course. So I'm just wondering, hey, how you doing? Everything all right down there? Okay, cool. All right, so we kind of just got him ready. So now he's going to lift his legs and we're gonna position. So the position for this one is, and this is bird pose, is feet parallel, and you'll see that he's aligning with the hip flexors, the inside of the hips, but his toes are actually pointing straight up. Reason being that when I come up, he's going to use his toes to kind of help support my core, to help me lift, and you'll see this in a moment. So we're gonna get hands together. And what you wanna do too before you come in for this, you wanna just make sure that you do maybe about 3 times rock forward, just so you can learn what it feels like to weight shift, especially when you're first starting. So we went 1, we just did a couple extra, but that's okay. 2, and then on the 3rd one, let's see if we can take me up. Good, yes, and he's using his toes to support me. Okay, and I'm really tight in the core. I'm gonna try to take one hand away, and then maybe the other. Yep. And then I can do hands again. Should we go through the therapeutic right now, or do you want a little break?
We can do it.
All right, let's do it. So toes out now, and I'm gonna open my legs and I'm gonna lower. So we have to reposition a little bit. Okay, now he's really aligned with my hip flexors. His toes are out, his heels are in, and he can let go of my hands, and I can hang here. If we want to get a little bit more therapeutic, he's gonna grab my elbows and he's gonna push up. And that's gonna get a nice front body opener, shoulders, chest. Maybe a couple breaths there. When he's ready, he can lower back down. You can even take your feet together, but your legs have to be wide for your partner to counterbalance you. Now, if he wants to, at this point, if he's feeling pretty stable, he can do the twist. He's gonna grab the elbows and turn to one side, and he shifts his weight. Zach, how's that feeling with the weight shift?
Yeah, it takes some time to get used to it, but once you do, you'll just have to shift weight from one foot to the other.
So it's kind of like he's turning me, he's twisting me to the left, and he's shifting his my weight over to his right foot. Is that correct?
I feel like more is on the left now.
Okay, that's why I'm asking you, because I'm in this upside down position. So yeah, and that feels really good. So now when we want to come back up, yeah, you can let go of the elbows, and we're going to push back up to bird. So I'm going to take his hands. Okay, and so now my legs are going to go in. I'm going to push up as he pushes me, and he's going to take his toes in. Go ahead and push your hands into mine to lift me. Good. Yep. So now we're back in bird, and he can start to lower me down whenever he's ready. Feeling pretty good, and that is all. So high five on that, and I'm going to pull him up because you should do that for your base.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So there you go. Those were some basic acro yoga moves. Now I said this is for intermediate, but in terms of acro, bird and the bird variations are actually pretty basic. But if you've never done it before, then it's going to be pretty advanced for you. So take your time, right? Maybe go to a workshop, learn acro, because being the base, you have a lot of responsibility, right? If I didn't know what I was doing and she's trusting me, she falls, guess whose fault it is? It's mine. So especially if you're the base, make sure you take the time, start off slow before you actually start flying people.
And communicate. Lots of communication. How you doing down there? How you doing up there? That's like key, so that you know if you have to come down. And that's the safety tip for sure. It's like the main one, if I could give any, would be talk to each other. Not only is it part of the bonding, but it also will keep you both safe. So
this is just a taste. If you want to go more and dive into acro, then we don't have any more on this channel, but go elsewhere, check it out. Acro is awesome. Like she said, bonding, get deeper into the stretches, so check it out. But while you're checking stuff out, check out that pinned comment down below. Get your free pair of sliders along with Slide Your Way to a Flat Stomach, my very own slider program. Down in the pinned comment, leave a comment, like the video, subscribe. I'm Coach Zach, and we'll see you next time.
yeah.